Here we got the new Wacker Nussen SW20 here. Sweet little machine here. Got a nice little motor in here. Got lots of space to work inside. Air cap on the side. Easy access to the radiator here. You know, falling around. Good old display for everything that you need to know where it is. What's that? Basic, manual, hydraulic release, and there's an automatic system inside. Big open platform to sit in. Easy skid steer, electronic controls. Single hand close. Right, turn the key on. Basic. Of course, there's a seat belt setting on it, so no roll down bar, just a seat belt. Gotta pull it out for a bit. Park and lock, easy skid steer for lift and bucket. Left hand driving control. Here we go.